Why I'm saying this is because I'm a youth. We are all addicted to our phones. You understand? We are all comfortable. We are all secure online. Some people are not secure going to polling booths.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delightful, and much interesting video here on the channel. Anyway, this one is from the let me just say all-round celebrity meeting, indoor meeting with the Inec chairman. Yes, because the kind of energy these guys are actually putting out, if we continue with it and get our PVC, we are really going to change Nigeria come 2023. So Inec chairman actually had a closed door meeting with top Nigerian celebrities, Mr. Ibu. The list is endless. Even tomorrow, being 11th of June, they will be having a concert in TDS in Lagos. So if you're around, come out, get your PVC. The campaign for PVC should just start, creating that awareness for every single youth to get their PVC. This time we are making it right, and that's the video I'll be sharing with you here, the entire highlight. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
Daddy, I heard that song. I can play on Boss. Hey, what's up, man? What's up, man? Been a minute. I feel you, man. It's been a long time. We done a lot of jobs together. You know what I'm saying? This man, he a legend. Man, I just want to hug you, man. I just want to hug you, man.
For Inec to make available for online voting, online PVC. Why I'm saying this is because I'm a youth. We are all addicted to our phones. You understand? We are all comfortable. We are all secure online. Some people are not secure going to polling booths and voting. It's not easy for everybody.
Other agencies of government, somebody has to secure the environment for the Electoral Commission to conduct elections. And that is the responsibility of those agencies that protect those who are supposed to protect all of us to enable us conduct elections. I need the commission will do. That one, I'm assuring you, whatever it takes. So I'm sure by now I think I've answered the question. I said that is the way I'm going to answer it. I'm not so responsible for conducting elections and declaring winners, especially at the presidential level. And other agencies of government, somebody has to secure the environment for the Electoral Commission to conduct elections. And that is the responsibility of those agencies that protect express. We have also brought those who are supposed to protect all of us to enable us conduct elections. I need the one and only from the side. Some high profile, some low profile. Amadi Guinea Papa Umesia, in apart from strength, the commission successfully prosecuted a professor who was involved in electoral malpractice. In a place in Kano, in Minjigo, we prosecuted over 40 electoral offenders that many people haven't heard of. But prosecution has become difficult simply because an agency has been loaded with the responsibility for prosecution, and that agency cannot discharge that responsibility effectively. And what is that agency? Inec. They said Inec shall prosecute electoral offenders, and there are conditions to successful prosecution. You have to make arrest. We have no police to make arrest.
Tonight and you're sick tomorrow, we've got a doctor in the house. Some say he's a small doctor, some say he's a big doctor. What we know is doctor, so we give up for small doctor. But now I have a suggestion. Is it possible for Inec to make available for online voting, online PVC? Why I'm saying this is because I'm a youth. We are all addicted to our phones. You understand? We are all comfortable. We are all
celebrities. You are not. We know you are celebrities. I'm not bouncing you. We know you are celebrities.
Excellency, Excellency, sir, Excellency, Father, I remain loyal to your government.
Much more respect to the great men and women in the building and my colleagues, senior colleagues, because I'm the junior, I'm the most junior in the music industry. So, Daddy, the question.
Please, guys, you've listened to all of the highlights, although I did not really get you a direct speech from the Inec chairman. But yes, you now know that the campaign and the awareness for us to get our PVC is actually ongoing, and everybody is trying their possible best to make sure that this time around we don't have to blame the government. We have to decide who will lead us, and even if we try our best to decide, yes, even if we do not get it right, we will keep trying, and definitely we're going to get it right, because Nigeria is our only home. Even if all of us decide to get a visa and travel out, trust me, not everybody will definitely make it out there, and possibly if we leave the country, who will stay here? Nobody. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section, because definitely you know your thoughts are highly welcome here. Let's discuss, let's talk about all of this. And again, I want to remind you, if you're in Lagos, please try as much as possible to make yourself available on the 11th of June 2021 at TDS 9 AM. Let's get this campaign kicking as youth. Just create this awareness and make sure that 2023 will not be left blinded in this politics. We should participate by getting our PVC and casting our vote.
Available for online voting, online PVC. Why I'm saying this is because I'm a youth. We are all addicted to our phones. You understand? We are all comfortable. We are all secure online. Some people are not secure going to polling booths and voting. It's not easy for everybody.
Other agencies of government, somebody has to secure the environment for the Electoral Commission to conduct elections, and that is the responsibility of those agencies that protect those who are supposed to protect all of us to enable us conduct elections. Inec, the commission will do. Part one, I'm assuring you, whatever it takes. So I'm sure by now I think I've answered the question. I said that is the way I'm going to answer the question.
Responsible for conducting elections and declaring winners, especially at the presidential level. And
other agencies of government.